Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the half double crochet V-stitch. This is the main stitch featured here in my Joey hat crochet pattern. It is just like your typical V-stitch, except it's a little bit smaller and a little bit tighter than what you would see with a double crochet V-stitch. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using some of this leftover worsted weight Mighty Stitch yarn that I used for the hat. This is from We Crochet. It's in the colorway Sage. And then I have an I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, for this tutorial, we are going to work in a starting chain multiple of 2 plus 2. This is working in rows, and if you're working in the round, you're just going to need to work in a multiple of 2. But for this version that I'm going to teach you in rows, we're going to do a multiple of 2 plus 2. So for this tutorial, I'm going to chain 20 chains. All right, I've done my 20 chains. I'm going to flip my chain over and work into the back bumps of my chains. And I'm going to do a half double crochet V in the 4th chain from my hook. So that is going to be 2nd, 3rd, 4th. I'm going to do 1 half double crochet into that chain stitch. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to do 1 half double crochet into the chain stitch again. So that is your half double crochet V. Half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, all in the same stitch. I'm going to skip 1 chain, and then I'm going to do it again in the next. Half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet in the next. Skip 1, do the same thing in the next stitch. 1 half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet. Skip 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet. Skip 1, 1 half double, and you're going to repeat that sequence all the way to the end of your row. Skip 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, skip 1, 1, chain 1, half double. And you're going to do this all the way to the end. And I'm going to skip, and then I've got 1 left. Instead of working a V-stitch into that one, I'm going to do just 1 half double crochet. So here we go. This is what we've got. If we are counting by V-stitches, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 V-stitches and 2 half double crochets. That starting chain is going to count as our half double crochet right there. If you're counting half doubles, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 half doubles. So that you can count them either way, and you might find them counted either way in a pattern. So I just wanted to make sure you knew how to count those. So now let's work our row 2. I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. I'm going to work 1 half double crochet into that first one that we just did by itself. Now I have my V-stitches. I am going to do a half double crochet V-stitch in that chain 1 space that I created from this V-stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to insert my hook into that chain 1 space, not into the stitch. That would be the stitch. I'm going to insert it into the chain 1 space, yarn over, pull up my loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. That's 1 half double crochet, then chain 1, then work my second half double crochet in that chain 1 space again. And that's how you do the second row and on of your half double crochet V-stitches. You're going to work them in the chain 1 space. Let's do the next one. I'm skipping over that half double crochet stitch. I'm going to do 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet in the next. And then we're going to repeat that all the way across, working our half double crochet V in the chain 1 space of each one across. All right, I'm at my last V-stitch, and now I have this chain that I started with. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work 1 half double crochet into the top of that starting chain, since we counted that as a stitch. And there we go. That's row 2, and that is all we have to do for our V-stitches. We're going to repeat row 2 for as long as we want to. So I'm just going to chain 1, turn my work. I'm going to work 1 half double crochet in the first, and then do 1 half double crochet V-stitch in each of the chain 1 spaces all the way across. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to do several rows and work up a little swatch for you so you can see what it looks like, and I will be back at the end. All right, I've done a little swatch here. I've repeated row 2 all the way up, and I can continue if I want or fasten it off. And this is what it looks like. It's really simple, looks really nice. Give a little bit of a lacy open stitch, but not too much. Just a reminder, I think I said at the beginning, but if you're working in the round like this hat, you're not going to do a 2 plus 2 multiple. You're just going to need a starting chain or a multiple of 2 for working in the round. You don't need those extra half double crochets on each end for your rows. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.